Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going on a long trip to pick up something really cool. We're heading to Northern California, flying out there and driving something back. Come along for the trip. So I made it back from California, all the way from near Santa Rosa, up north of San Francisco. We flew up there, and the previous owner of this beautiful truck picked me up at the airport, drove me to the house, and put a few things on it, like windshield wipers, changed the headlights, cleaned it up a little bit, and headed on a long journey. And it was a long drive home. And we got to stop and see Colton along the way. You may have seen the previous video where we got to tour Colton's collection. And it was a beautiful drive. It really was, through the Central Valley of California. Um, the air conditioner wasn't working, which was actually great weather anyways. With the windows rolled down, you could smell all the great agriculture they have in California. And beautiful weather, beautiful temperatures, and an awesome truck. So as you can see, I bought something big for the business. This is a pretty big step, and let's go check it out. So what we have here is a 1996 International 4900. It's a early DT466E truck, very first generation of the E series. So it is a Hui engine, and runs great. A little bit high miles, but the previous owner took very good care of this thing. You could tell he took pride in his truck. And it's equipped with a Service Trucks International service body, 6,000 pound electric over hydraulic Tiger crane. Has an air compressor and some other features. I don't have a welder generator on it yet, but I'm working a deal on one of those. But anyways, let's take a closer look. So when this truck was built, most of these were built with a pretty plain Jane interior, and this one actually has quite a few options. It has the deluxe interior, which we'll check out here. And the previous owner put the aluminum wheels on it, front and back. Looks really sharp. Air ride seats. Has these door inserts, padded doors. It's got the padded headliner, overhead console. 7-speed Spicer transmission. The International sold these as the 6 Plus. It's an overdrive transmission. It's fully synchronized. Got an air ride seat on the driver's side. You got a little center seat. I just stacked stuff on it. But it's got this console up here on the top. It's kind of nice. Recessed visors. Place to put all your documents. And we've got a little aftermarket clock there. AM/FM CD player. I've already tore the instrument cluster apart. It has some of that typical where the instruments jump around and don't work right, and the lights don't work right. There's a solder joint on the back of these instrument clusters that the solder joints crack and causes problems. I resoldered all those and working great now. Had to put a turn signal switch on here. I couldn't turn off the bright lights the entire drive home. which annoyed some people, but that took care of that problem. Got a really cool flashlight mount here in the middle, and it's a real nice cab. Got some accessory switches here on the side. He wired up some nice lights and outside speakers to these switches over here. It does have cruise control and quite a few nice features. And the truck is also equipped with this gasoline-powered air compressor. It's got a 13 horsepower Kohler on it. Sorry, the sun's in the way, but it's a Curtis compressor. I believe it's a 60 gallon. Yeah, 60 gallon. And it is plumbed into a couple of hose reels on the back of the truck. It's really nice. The previous owner added this extra steel plate to the bumper. Makes a really nice workbench. It has been great so far. I've used it quite a few times already. He did move the vise over to his new truck, so I picked this Harbor Freight one up in case it gets stolen. I'm not out of nice Wilton. It's got manual outriggers for the crane. It's pretty cool agricultural stickers on the back. I'm going to leave those. I kind of like them. And room up front here for a Miller Bobcat that will be going in the cabinet and sticking through as soon as I work a deal on one. And the other hose reel up here, this one has the larger fitting on the end of it for use with the 1-inch drive impact. Electric over hydraulic crane. It's got its benefits. You don't have to have the truck running while you're operating the crane. However, it's a little slower. Duty cycle is a little less than just a straight hydraulic crane would be, but it's a nice unit. Glad to have it. That thing's going to be a game changer. A really neat aftermarket option this thing has is this this Lund visor up here on the top. It moves the cab lights up above, and it gives a really cool look to these things. And these are highly sought after visors nowadays. This one's in really good shape. I'm glad to have that. So those of you that enjoy watching my videos, I like to go pick up stuff, and this is going to be a game changer for pulling stuff out of the weeds and picking up broken stuff. But of course, you know, my bread and butter of my business is heavy machinery repair, and I'm going to be doing a lot of that with this thing. I don't film a lot for YouTube as far as that stuff goes, but maybe I'll do a little more. Well, I just wanted to at least show this truck to you guys, and I'm sure you'll see it in lots of future videos if you subscribe to my channel. And I'm so excited about putting it to use. I've already done a few jobs with it already, and it has been night and day difference from the old F-150. And I'm really excited about it. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. I do a lot of work on crawlers and heavy equipment, antique tractors, antique trucks, and hopefully we'll see more, and maybe we'll get to go visit with Colton again. Thanks for watching.